Why should I go to Francisco's Automotive to get my Ford repair? My name is Francisco's Automotive. I own a shop in Huntington Beach. I've been in business since 1985. So if you live in Huntington Beach and you're looking for Ford repair, you come to the right place. Let me tell you a little bit about me, a little bit about my shop. First, let me show you my garden. I love my garden. So now, Ford has come a long ways. Ford was established in 1908. I've been working on Ford since the 80s. When I first started my shop, I used to work mainly on German cars. But I saw Ford coming, I saw them coming strong, everybody was scared of them, and they've come a long ways. Ford is now making the Ford Fusion one of the best cars out there, good gas mileage. You get 30 to 40 miles per gallon depending on how you drive. They come a long ways. They're the only company that did not take a handout. You know, the Explorers come a long ways. Beautiful. Explorer's a beautiful car. And they're made well, they're put together, they're a small SUV, the gas mileage is different. The gas mileage is really, really good for an SUV. Now you got your Ford Mustang. The Ford Mustang has come a long ways. Now, why should I go to Francisco's Automotive? Mainly because he's been working on Ford since the 80s. And let me show you something. This is a Ford scanner that I used to use back in the 80s and the 90s. I was way ahead of my technology. If you look at this piece of equipment right here, I was able to, and this goes back to the 80s. Now the scanners have come a long ways. I was able to put this on a piece of equipment that I have, and I could simulate any component in the automobile. And I mean, we actually had to probe. It was incredible how far it's gone. I went from here, and this is in the 80s. This is how I used to fix Fords in the 80s. I was one of the few that was able to do this, and I specialized in electrical, and I saw it coming. This now was in the 90s, made it a little bit easier. Nowadays, we go to a laptop-based computer in the cloud. I can reprogram computers. I have Mastertex working for me. There's multiple reasons, if you live in the city, Huntington Beach, why you should come to me. Now, also, I mean, there's just a little cam tools. This is specialty for Ford, and I could bring out a lot of equipment to show you why you should come to me for Ford. But this is just a portion of it. This is my shop. It goes back. I have a 10-bay automotive repair shop. I'm open up at 7 in the morning till 6 at night, Saturday from 8 to 4. I give a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on a lot of my work. I give you a ride home. I pick you up. There's a ton of reasons why you should come to me. If I keep your car overnight, then I go ahead and I put you in a rent-a-car for 1 day at my expense. So Francisco's Automotive, I'm located on Slater between Beach Boulevard and Gothard, 7662 Slater Avenue. Call me with any of your questions. You're going to buy a car, you're going to sell a car, you're going to get your kid a car. Call me with any questions. No questions are small. God forbid you get in an accident, call me. I will guide you in the right direction, send you to the correct body shop. There's a lot of body shops out there, and a lot of them are not doing quite that well. So call me with any of your questions. Again, 714-375-2661. Thank you for watching the video.